Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review this product called MoneyBuildrr, which is launched on 19th of June on Warrior Plus. And now let's take a look at the heading. It says you're 3 clicks away from 100% done for you sales funnels complete with buyer traffic in as little as 30 seconds. Okay, now let's take a look at the concept here. It's like, these days it's very common that people will launch their softwares, website builders, sales funnel builders. So it's okay. So this is a piece of software which helps you to make done for you sales funnel. So you can grab the copy, you can go inside the dashboard, you will have some done for you templates, and then you can use those templates with your affiliate links, and then you can drive traffic to those landing pages, and then you can make sales. This is the use of the software, right? So you can go ahead and buy it. But as soon they mix it with buyer traffic in little as 30 seconds, and you make some money and all that, so you don't need to advertise that. So these people are actually not mainly focusing that this is going to make you money, and nobody needs to say that either, because there's no such software which can make you money. So in particular about this software, we're going to keep this straight. This is a piece of software which is going to fulfill a need for you. So if you're into affiliate marketing, if you're into developing websites and things like that, so the simple use of this software is that you use this dashboard, or you buy the software, and then you start using those templates, those landing pages, those sales funnels in your affiliate offers. And then when it says free traffic means they will have some social accounts inside the dashboard. You can link your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and then you can go ahead and spam your Facebook and things like that. That's called free traffic. Okay, so don't worry about the free traffic. Don't consider this thing as a money making machine. Don't consider it as a traffic builder. Consider this software only as a sales funnel builder, as a website builder, and that's how you need to think before making this purchase. Okay, now this says the early birds also get the free email or responder. So I think if you have purchased the software by now, you might have got something free respond or whatever. Now we do not have a demo of this software on their website, so we can't show you exactly how it works, but it's all the same. You log into the dashboard, you just click set your templates, and that's how you start making those sales websites or sales funnels. So it simply says create unlimited secure mobile friendly websites, and you don't have to worry about the hosting. Everything is included, and the video training is there. So once you go into the dashboard, you will find the video tutorials there, how you can get everything in place. And it's a low one-time cost, so you don't have to pay monthly like you pay Weebly or Wix.com or ClickFunnels. So you don't really have to pay monthly. That's what the thing is about the software. So if it's a one-time thing, you can surely go ahead and buy it, as long as they are not claiming that you're gonna make some money with it, because this is not a money-making thing. This is only a piece of software which is going to help you design web pages, design sales funnels, design websites. That's what the usage. So let's go further down here. Unlimited, you can create unlimited funnels, you can create unlimited sales pages, and you don't need to be technical. It's all drag and drop, which means you just put your pictures, your videos in that, and your page is good, ready to go. And then again here, let's go further down. So these are the screenshots you can see, and too much content, too much theory to go on. I mean, they're just describing their features here. Okay, so the features are like you can create unlimited websites, and it's all drag and drop. It's all done for you. It's unlimited hosting, one-click integration of your affiliate offers or affiliate websites, and unbeatable at one-time costs. All right, and custom domains, video training, and much more. Okay, so there's nothing to lose if you are looking for this kind of software where you think you want to make everything in one place. You want to make websites, you want to make landing pages, you want to make sales pages. So if you're looking for one piece of software which can do this for you, so you can definitely grab this software in one-time cost. That is much more important, because you don't have to pay monthly or recurring. It's only a one-time cost. So you can definitely go ahead and grab it, and That's it. So you are going to get these bonuses anyway inside the, and I'm not a fan of bonuses because there's no such thing as bonus. Bonus is only a waste of time for you, because bonus is like, if you get 4 bonuses, that means you will waste 20 minutes or half an hour of your life. So those bonuses means you need to research on them. What are they about? How do they help you? What you can do or not. So those bonuses actually distracts your mind. So all these affiliates who are offering you bonuses, you know, $10,000 bonus, or maybe $20,000 bonus, $5,000 bonus, it's all crap. Okay, don't use your head, don't use your brain in bonuses. Bonus is not something which is going to make you rich. Okay, do you even know what bonus means? Bonus is something, you know, kind of an amount. Bonus is an amount which gets credited into your bank account. So do these affiliates credit your bank account with something? No, they don't, right? So they just you know, keep crapping you with this bonus. There's no such thing as bonus. Okay, use your brain. Your brain is your bonus. All right, if you have brain, if you know what to do, if you know how to learn things online, if you can follow tutorials, if you can, you know, learn some skills on the internet, whether it's making YouTube videos, whether it's making a website, whether it's writing a blog, if you can gain some knowledge, that is your bonus. Otherwise there's no bonus for you. All right, so don't fall for this bonus crap. Bonus, if somebody's paying you into your bank account, that's your bonus. If nobody can credit some money into your bank account, then they're just selling you crap to you. Okay, so all these affiliates on the internet, you know, buy from me, you will get this bonus, you'll get that bonus. That is all bullshit. Okay, do not fall for the bonus thing. Bonus is only a waste of time, because people will give you 4 different products, and that means if you spend 10 minutes on each product in, you know, studying it, what this is all about, that means you have lost half an hour of your life. Okay, and that's not making you any money, right? So let's cut the crap. Now let's go to the frequent asked FAQs. So it's MoneyBuildrr Business Cloud. Yes. Ours is okay. Yeah. So I mean, you can go through all this in your own time, and in short, it's a piece of software, right? So as long you are not thinking as, you know, that this is going to make you some money, then it's a good to go software. But if you're thinking that this will make you some money, then don't buy it, because it's not a money making machine. All right, this is only software which will help you to design landing pages, to design these sales funnels, to design websites. So if you are looking for these kind of softwares on a one-time cost, then this is a good to go thing. All right, so do subscribe to our channel, like this video. We'll end this video for now, and we'll come back to you with next review shortly.
Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.